all be great. Put your picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad.
Today,
It's not so bad.
I'm gonna be teaching you some tips and tricks I've learned from living in the sewer, how to fight the demons that live in the shadows at night. Some people say they can't see them, but I know if you're watching right now, you know what I'm talking about. The other people are full of shit.
Dear Slim, I wrote you, but you still ain't calling. I left my cell, my pager, and my home phone at the bottom. I sent 2 letters back in autumn, you must not have got them. There probably was a problem at the post office or something. Sometimes I scribble addresses too sloppy when I jot them. But anyways, fuck it, what's been up, man? How's your daughter? My girlfriend's pregnant too, I'm about to be a father. If I have a daughter, guess what I'ma call her? I'ma name her Bonnie. I read about your Uncle Ronnie too, I'm sorry. I had a friend kill himself over some bitch who didn't want him. I know you probably hear this every day, but I'm your biggest fan. I even got the underground shit that you did with Scam. I got a room full of your posters and your pictures, man. I like the shit you did with Ruckus too, that shit was fat. Anyways, I hope you get this, man.
So
Hit me back, just the chat. Who's the yours, your biggest fan?
People will make fun of you. Your neighbors, they will look down on you from the top of the sewer, and they will say things like, what are you doing? I'm going to call the cops. Or, I'm sick and tired of you kids running around down here like you own this shit. Or if people say things like, you're gonna catch chlamydia. Just know that these are the haters talking. They wish they were you. They wish they were you. Okay? Just keep that in mind. They are the NPCs of the world. Their opinions don't fucking matter. And let me tell you something else I learned. You are always limited to your physical body, unless you've reached transcendence like I have.
Roll up, fuck your bitch and her fucking pussy hole. I'm gonna leave that shit raw. She look like a bullet hole. Ooh.
Sure, I may look like I'm a 19-year-old girl. That much is true. The point is that I am not 19 and I'm not a girl. My soul is over 200 years old. And that is before the Big Bang even happened. 200 years old, think about it. You can't. Because no humans were alive back then. This is before BCE. And the thing you need to learn about not existing in a human body is that whatever happens to you in real life doesn't really matter. Sure, you could not wash your face for a week, and you could get acne, but at the end of the day, none of that shit matters. Alright, so now I'm approaching my home. I'd like to give you guys a little short tour, a home tour, if you may. Because yes, even though I am over 200 years old, I'm still hip with the kids. I know what YouTube is. I know all of these room tour videos. So here you go. This is my house. I've been living here for the better part of my life. This is where I like to sit and watch the days go by. Sometimes you can see little bits of trash just like sweep through around here, and those are always the highlights of my days. The other day I saw a Wendy's bag. I haven't seen those in around like 3.5 years, so that was really kind of one of those days which marks the passage of time for me. Other times I like to explore all the way down there. It's a little window. This place has been around since the prehistoric ages. So you can see some cave writing on the wall, and these were left by my ancestors. I know previously I said that I was alive before any other humans were alive. Well, I'm sorry, that was kind of a lie. I was sort of bragging because I was scared you guys would think I'm a loser. Yeah, there were a couple people before me, not a lot though, so I'm kind of telling the truth. And some of this art is some of the most breathtaking displays of human ingenuity that you will ever really see. Sometimes it's just nice to relax and take a little nap down here.
It's been 3 whole years of me thinking about you every day. Sometimes for hours, sometimes in passing. Saw you from the bottom of the staircase. Stood out for hours as you complained about how you haven't seen your friends yet. That you're too drunk to stand and you not knowing if you can love him forever.
But oftentimes, what I really like to do is head over to like the dark end and see what's going on there.
I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. I just died in your arms tonight.
So you can see my religious ideology back then was fully invested in the one and only Jesus of suburbia. And here we have open wide once more. This is the back door entrance, and I normally don't like people coming down this way, so yeah, I'm gonna head back. Sometimes I like to race myself and see how fast I can run through the tunnels. So here we go.
Please, whatever you do, do not tell the U.S. government where I am currently living. They cannot know about this. It's not that what I'm doing is illegal. It's not. So don't think that it is. But it's just I'd rather not deal with the paperwork because I don't know how to read or write.
Okay, I hope you guys liked my little house tour video. Give you guys a little look into my life for a little bit. So I'm just gonna go head back there and eat some dinner. I think I found a pile of leaves that were trapped under a rock. So I'm really excited about that. But I know shit is crazy right now. You know, I'm not really allowed to leave my house sometimes. So, you know, just stay safe, hang in there, don't kill yourself, all of that stuff. I'll see you guys later. Brofist. how do I fucking turn this shit?